Hi everyone, and welcome to this tutorial, and it's going to be about Halloween. I will try a little bit of water at the end of my drawing, and furthermore I will be using the Staedtler Fineliner 0.8 and the Faber-Castell B pencil, also a fine liner. What I want to draw is a little ghost, and that little ghost has stolen the hat of the witch. And here the little ghost is floating in the air. Now for the eyes I simply make 2 circles, then put another circle inside and a tiny one just here on the right side. Then I color in around those eyes, all black, to create those ghosty little eyes. Then the mouth. And this is the inside of the head, and I can call it, oh hi Mercy. This is my young cat, and she wants to learn how to draw too. Now on top of the head there is a belt, of course. I draw that in, and this is the tip of the head. And my cat wants, look, she's tapping me. Now she wants to try and eat my pen. Oh, I will put her aside, otherwise I cannot finish this drawing. Okay, so that's the ghost. On the tip of the head, there is a little spider dangling down from a thread. So I draw that in with the 8 paws. So that's a nice Halloween detail. Now what I also do is I draw in some flying around candies. I simply make some squirrels, and of course what I also want to draw in, and here it is, a broom. So this is the stick of the broom, and these are all the twigs, and they are binded together with some rope. And here are all the twigs of that typical witch flying broom. Just draw in some lines, and then I want to draw in the word happy. Now for this word I will simply use some brushy letters, and the word happy is on top of the broom. Then I draw in an extra big candy, and this is again candy that's in a wrap. So that one is flying around too, and I draw in some banded lines here and a dark shadow, and I also put a little bit extra dark shadow in the twigs of the broom. Then it's time to draw the word Halloween. Now of course you can just make the letters straight, but to give them that Halloween effect, I make the lines a little bit bended, and that gives that Halloween effect, that ghost effect. And what is also very nice is for the 2 letters L, I'm using bones, human bones. So that is to make that word extra scary. Then I want to draw the letter O, but instead of drawing a simple O, I'm drawing in a pumpkin. And the pumpkin is just behind that bone. So you can put the letters in front of each other to give it an extra funny effect. Now here's the W just behind the pumpkin, and then 2 letters E, and also I put those in front of each other to get a crazy feel and a crazy look, and then the letter N at the end, of course. So that's a fun way to draw Halloween. What also is a very Halloweeny, of course, is a skull. So here on the right corner of my drawing I draw in that skull with the eyes and the nose opening and you can see all the teeth, of course. So that's quite easy to do too. Now here's an extra fun effect. I take my Staedtler fine liner and then I start drawing in the threads of a spider web. And I make sure not to go through my broomstick or through my letters. I just go like this, so it seems that the threads of the web are behind the drawing. Then I make the little side threads. Here I put them upwards a little bit, then sidewards, and I go with the flows, so I go rounded. When you take a close notice, then you can see that the little threads in the left corner are closer together than the ones as they move to the right. In this way you get a very, very convincing spider web. Then it's time to test out my water brush, and I wanted to see if this ink is solvable with water. Well, as you can see, the Faber-Castell fine liner does not easily blend with the water. But still, I wanted to try it out, and I wanted to give it a test. As you can see, it dissolves a little bit, but not enough. But that's not the point. If you have your drawing as far as this, then you can choose any color you want. And maybe draw in the letters of Halloween halfway red, like there's blood dripping off or something. Whatever you like. So, good luck with your drawing. Have a happy Halloween. And if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. And I will see you again in my next tutorial.